Robot dog turns war machine. With Flamethrower, Flamethrower is Throwflame's dragon robot dog. The company specializing in flamethrowers has coupled it to a robot. The invention of a robot dog is not exactly new. Several companies have already developed their technological pet models for various functions. However, the American company Throwflame wanted to transform the small, robotic animal into a war machine, and attached a flamethrower to the robot dog, which is now more like a dragon. Robot dog or dragon? According to Throwflame, the Flamethrower as the machine was named is the first robot dog with a flamethrower. However, what came first was the launcher. The company specializes in the fire device and used its flagship model, Arc Flamethrower, just attaching it to the robot dog. Unlike a dragon, the flamethrower is located on top of the machine on the dog's back, and not in the mouth. Flamethrower can ignite objects up to 30 feet in front of it. Potential. The flamethrower can reach up to 9 meters in front of you and shoot fire continuously for over 40 minutes. Due to the machine's destructive potential, the dragon robot dog has limited functionality. That's because robots are not Throwflame's specialty, which used a third-party machine with limited autonomy. See the Flamethrower in action. Can I buy the dragon robot dog? So far, Flamethrower appears on the company's website, but not for purchase. Interested parties will be able to sign up for a waiting list. The model that inspired Throwflame's dragon robot dog, the Go 1 model by the Chinese Unitree, which has AI, human recognition and a long battery life, costs from $2,700 about $12,500. The company's flamethrower starts at $699 about $3,300. Thus, the union of the two products must cost more than the sum of the values, from $3,399 about $16,000. Assim, a união dos dois operadores deve custar mais do que a soma dos valores, a partir de $3.399 cerca de $16 mil.